class, what is our discussion? What is our discussion, Amma? Our discussion was Python database communication. Python database communication was our topic name. So in that, we started with its importance. We started with its importance, and we understand the need of that. We understand the need of the databases, right? Then we started communicate. We started the steps for development of program to communicate with the Oracle database. Yes, please, all of you, tell me how many steps are there. How many steps are there? Come on now. Today we need to start the program. How many steps are there? Yeah, that I will take up. That I will take up. So previous class already we did 6 p.m. So sorry, it is 9 a.m. 9 a.m. There we are having 6 steps are there. 6 steps are there. Python with Oracle, 6 steps I said. 6 steps I said. So steps for communicating with the database. Yeah, these are the steps we started in the last class. So see, here 6 steps are there. Look at that. Import the appropriate module name. And I told you how to install the module also. Which tool we used for importing, for installing the module? Which tool we used to import the module? Excellent. Pip tool we used it. Pip tool we used it. What is the module name to communicate with Oracle database? What is the module name used to communicate with the Oracle database? CX_Oracle. CX_Oracle. We used to communicate with the Oracle. So all these steps I want to go for discussing. All these steps. One by one I will go for it. Let us start. First module is done. Already we done. Second one is what? Python program must obtain a connection from the database software. So what is that important explanation I am giving? If a Python program want to communicate with any database, we must use the module called like this. Then after that, in that module, we have one type of function is there. What is the function we are having? Connect function. Connect function. Connect function is used for connecting to the database. Sir, what is its syntax? Dear students, please come to the subject, ma'am. Please come to the subject. Still people are going on joining. Okay, let it be. We want to start. We don't want to wait for the people to join. So CX_Oracle dot connect. Very user friendly. Username, password. What is the username of my database? Username represents the username of the database. In my system, don't take it as a universal. In my system, that means in KVR system, I gave the username as Scott. In your place, you may have your own name also. In my system, I have in KVR system, I have password as a tiger. Tiger is a password. DNS. Now I am going to. That is our yesterday's class where we stopped it. That is the class where we stopped it. See, DNS stands for Domain Naming Service. DNS stands for Domain Naming Service. Domain Naming Service. Dear students, please all of you understand this point. Domain Naming Service. Now, coming to the point back. Here I am going to come to the point back. Here I am saying DNS is nothing but Domain Naming Service. Yeah. Sir, what is this DNS? DNS is a name of the mission. Carefully listen. Name of the mission. Oblique address of the mission. Name oblique address. Address of the mission. Where database software installed. Name or address of the mission where database software installed. So in real time, DNS, they will give you the name of the Wipro server, TCS server, IBM server, like that. Suppose if we don't know the name of that machine where the server is going to be, we will make a request to the database administrator. He will send you the DNS name. Suppose in our laptop you don't have the name, you did not give any name to your machine. So by default, now I am writing default mission, default name, default mission name, default name of mission, default name of mission, default name of what mission is localhost, is localhost, is localhost. It is the default name of the mission. Suppose in my system is this is my system. In this mission, what is the name of the mission? Localhost. So it is DNS, we can call it, the name or address. It is called, if you still want me to enter into some deep of the subject, IP address also we can call. IP address, name or IP address of the mission. Either you can access the mission on the name of that, or I can write IP address is a name of the address of the mission where our database is stored. Simple, ma. You take your college name. Your college name is called DNS. Your college will have the address also. That address is called IP address. Default IP address, default IP address, default IP address of every PC, every laptop is 127.0.0.1. 127.0.0.1. It is known as a loop back address. Loop back address we can call. It is called a loop back address, dear students, because in written test point of view, they will give you some options A, B, C, D. They will ask you which address is called a loop back address. 127.0.0.1. It is called a loop back address. The default IP address of every PC is 127.0.0.1. What is the default DNS name, Amma, for my satisfaction? What is the default DNS? Please, all of you. Come on, please be perfect in communication, Amma. Yes, localhost. What is the default IP address? What is the default IP address? Default IP address is 127.0.0.1. 127.0.0.1. Okay, sir. We understand. Is it clear? Is the DNS parameter is clear? Can you confirm once? Dear students? Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Please switch off your videos, ma. It is disturbing others. Please switch off. Right. Nice, ma. Now I am going for service ID. Service ID. Sir, what is this service ID? Service ID I am talking about. Service ID. Sir, what is service ID? Service ID is nothing but on which name my Oracle database is available in my PC. On which name the Oracle database is available in my PC. Whether you remembered or not, students, I want to give you a small clarity. In our importing the modules, do you remember? I imported the module on its original name. I gave an alias name. Do you remember? Alias names. Do you remember, ma? Yes, sir. We remember. We gave the alias name. Like that, when the people are installing Oracle software, they will give some alias name to that Oracle software. So service ID is nothing but on which name the database software is available. We are talking Oracle database only available. On which name it is available? The Oracle database installer has given it. By default, it is coming from the Oracle software itself, ORCL. How to verify? I will show you that now. On which name database software is available in our mission. Sir, how to find out that, sir? Very, very simple, ma. We can go to our Oracle SQL prompt. We will go to SQL prompt. How to find, I am asking. Suppose you don't know. How to find? How to find? This is a very, very important for you now. How to find? How to find service ID, service ID, service ID of our database, of our database. Now I am going to, this is a question for you. This is called a question for you. Q. Now there I am writing SQL prompt. There I am writing select star from small idea about Oracle global underscore name, global underscore name. It will give you like this. What it will be giving the output, ma? Output will be given as like this. What is an output? You will be getting global. You will get exactly global underscore name. Under that you will get ORCL. This is an output you will get. In my system, ORCL will become. In some other system, you will have XE, express addition. Let me show you this service ID, how to find out. I am having SQL plus here. SQL plus shortcut is there. All of you please observe ma. SQL plus shortcut I created, I put on my desktop. Click on that. It is asking username Scott, password Tiger. SQL prompt is ready. I entered a secured one. Without knowing this username and password, I cannot enter at all. Select star from global underscore name. Please, dear students, see global underscore name output ORCL. Output is coming like that. Dear students, on which name my Oracle database is there in my system? Output, you see output. Global name. What is that? ORCL. Is it clear? Yes, sir, clear. Now I am going to write the example. I am going to write it. Dear students, please come on. So I explained connect function, username, password. Username is what? Password is what? DNS I explained. DNS. You learn any database in the near future, left hand, left finger. Service ID also you learn. Service ID also. ORCL you learn. So coming to the point of it, service ID is nothing but on which name the database software is available. And it is nothing but alias name of our database. Alias name. It is nothing but if you want to write alias name to the original database. Like a nickname. You have original name. You will have some original name or not? You have original name. Your house people will call it as some service name. So on regular, what they are calling it. Suppose there is a Krishna, they will call it as a Krish they will call. Like that, short name. Like that I am calling it as ORCL. How to find that? This is a very, very important. Tomorrow if you go to the system test to any company, if you want to use a global name, you can go to the Oracle and you can say you global name and ORCL. They will tell you the username password of their database. Right. Now I am writing example here. Now I am writing the example statement. Sir, what is an example? Get the connection. From where? From Oracle database. Sir, please tell me how to get the connection. And now I am writing CX underscore Oracle. Dot connect. Please. What is the username? I am waiting for your answer. Come on. What is that? Scott slash. What is the password in my system? Tiger. Excellent. At the rate of Scott Tiger. Which mission? In this mission only. Localhost. In this mission only database is available. On what name? It is available? Excellent. ORCL. Because with that, you will get the connection. It returns an object of CON. KVR connection. Right. Krishna connection. Krishna connection. Sadiq connection. SADUQ. Sadiq connection. Anything. Satish connection. Satish connection. SAT connection. Yes, ma, I told you, na, local host is nothing but a machine name. To which machine name we are going to make a request? Satish. I am saying that Scott Tiger. Where? In this mission. Which mission? Local host. The play I told you here. Domain naming service. Name of the mission where database software is installed. To which in which mission database software is installed? That mission name. On which name? WarCL. So that I will get the connection from that. Are you understanding, ma? You need to give that mission. You need to give that mission. If it is installed in some other, that's what I told you. In the companies, if the database is installed in other places, TCS we can use it. TCS we can use it. 1 minute. Coming to the point of it, now I'm going to give the clarity here. So CON is equal to CX underscore Oracle dot connect. Is it clear? Is it clear for all of you? So I will write here statement as printer Python program obtains connection from Oracle database. CON is equal to CX underscore Oracle dot connect of Scott and Tiger at the rate localhost Oracle WarCL. Let me write a code and I will show you. And dear students, what is that connection? CON is an object. Now I will write a print of type of CON. Dear student, in Python, everything is what? In Python, everything is what? In Python, everything is what? Come on, ma. Everything is an object. Object will contain what? Object will contain what? Class. So, see, ma. Where is that class is present? The class is class. I am writing CX underscore Oracle. It is a module dot connection. Understand carefully. Class. What is the name of the class? Connection. Which module it is present? CX underscore Oracle. Module is a collection of variables, functions, classes. So tell me, for my satisfaction, CON is an object of what, ma? Come on. Yes, ma. MD Alam, it is a 9 o'clock batch. Yesterday I started the database. Already we started the database yesterday. Those who are new students today, you will get the day and stars you will see in this class. Only today you are appearing, you will get the day and you will get the stars, because yesterday I already completed 2 hours of sessions. Those who are missing yesterday, today you cannot understand. I am continuing yesterday's class only. Right. Coming to the point of it. Connection. Let us write the code. Shall we write the code? Sample code? Yes. Shall we write the sample code? Right. Those who are already yesterday who are present, they can follow me like anything. Those who are coming only today, dear students, only who are coming today, they cannot follow, because yesterday I already gave the introduction. Let us go to that. Yes. Coming to the point of it, ma, let us come to others. Dear students, please follow. This is a really wonderful program. So I'm writing DB connection test. DB connection test dot py. DB connection test dot py. Database connection test I'm taking. Import, dear students, CX underscore Oracle. I told already in the yesterday's class, before importing, what you must do? Before importing, you must install this module or not? Before importing this module, you must install or not, ma? Rajkamal, not pin install, pip. Rajkamal, pip it is. Right. Come on. Okay, ma. Okay, ma, no problem. Rajkumar, I understand, no problem. Import. Now get the connection. How do you get the connection? CON or take KVR connection is equal to CX underscore Oracle dot connect of dot connect of Scott Tiger at the rate local host at the same time you need to write ORCL. With this, I will get the connection. Print of Python program obtains connection from Oracle database successfully. Yes, successfully. KVR CX underscore Oracle dot connect Scott Tiger localhost etc. Got it. Later I will add some extra content to that, dear students. Let me move forward. Come on, save in our location, Amma. DB contest. Come on, yesterday who are there, please be put more force on my understanding part. Because if they come to the any part of the student is coming to database, they don't know anything about the database communication. But we must be very good in this part. Come on to the command prompt. G colon CD KVR Python 9 AM. There it is called what? I hope that the folder is Python Oracle. This is a folder. Yes, ma. In this, I have the file name. What is my file name? DB connection test. I'm just testing the connection for my satisfaction. What is that? DB contest .py. So I got Python program obtains connection from Oracle database successfully. Python program obtains the connection from Oracle database successfully. Sir, what is the type of this, sir? You print that also, sir. Please print, sir. Print of type of KVR con. Type of KVR con is equal to, type of KVR con. See, come on, execute it. See, type of KVR con is equal to class CX underscore Oracle dot connection. Very, very, very simple. Python program obtains connection or program obtains connection from database successfully. Yes, sir. Now, dear student, suppose if I am writing, see, something like I am writing KVR ORCL. KVR ORCL was not there. KVR. Yes, ma, Naveen Kumar, I'm coming to that only, ma. I'm coming to that steps. See that steps. See, Naveen Kumar, I hope so. I did not expect this doubt from you. I am in the process of it. We are in the second step only. Third step you see. Fourth step you see. Fifth step you see. These are the steps. I hope you are understanding yesterday. So there are so many Naveen Kumars are there, but which Naveen Kumar I don't know. I am in the connection part only. See, your doubt is coming in third part, fourth part. I'll show wonders and miracles in this part. Wonders I will show you. But follow me. If you go your own direction, I am not following you. You follow me. I will show you wonders and miracles in my class. Right. Follow. Right. See, coming to the point of it. So I got the connection from it. Up to here, is it? Now I am giving KVR ORCL. Is it valid one? All of you. Is it valid one? No, sir. Immediately you will get exception. So here I am writing print KVR CON. And moreover, you will get exception also. Database error. Exception is coming. You see that once? See that now? SEMA, database error, exception. It is from where? Oracle module. Once an exception is coming. Come on. Once an exception is coming. Who is that person, sir? Switch on their videos. Shall I remove them? Akila. Who is this? So disturbing other people. CX underscore Oracle database error. Immediately I will do what? Immediately I will do what? I will write it in try. See ma? Try. I will write a try. I will write these points. Except database error. Database error. This is called a database error. How you need to access CX underscore Oracle dot database error. See, exactly take the same thing. Database error. As take one alias name as a DA. Why? Because I will find out what will be the error is coming. Message. I told you the various forms of except blocks. Do you remember various forms of except blocks I said or not? Yes, sir. You just follow us, you will get wonders. With this partner, you will become wonderful. Let us execute once. See what is coming. DPI 1080 connection was closed by this. This indicates, of course, if you get a more experienced Oracle programmer, this is a Oracle error. Somewhere else there is a Oracle connection problem is there. So I am taking problem in, I will write one message. Problem in, I will write a problem in, where? Problem in getting connection. Problem in getting connection. Connection from which database? Oracle DB. Yes. Now you see. Now I got problem. Python program obtains connection from Oracle database. Suppose if I write something wrong, KVR ORCL, which is a wrong one, I passed it. You got an error. Problem in getting the connection from Oracle DB. Right? So coming to the point of it, now I will go to correct your sentences. So KVR ORCL is correct. Dear students, shall I move forward? How to close the connection? Shravan, will you switch off your videos or I have to remove from the meeting? It is disturbing me by coming in the middle of my screen. Why you switch on your videos, I don't know. So if I remove one person, they will come to know what exactly that will happen. So one person is removed. So coming to that, I want to close my connection. Where do you close it? Hey King. Right? Coming to the point of it. So I will go to the connection. What is that now? What I am telling now? Finally block I am writing. Finally block. How do you write the code? If, see, a beautiful point I am writing. KVR con not equal to none. KVR con not equal to none. What will happen? Close it. How do you close? Print off database connection, DB connection closed. Not equal to that, close it. How do you close? KVR con dot close. Close is a function available in the connection object. DB connection closed. KVR con dot close. So if the see, once again I will write it, else block I am writing. If no exception is coming, I will write this statement in the else block. Still I will cut it and I will write it in the else block. Dear students, are you understanding the organization of my program, Mama? Are you understanding this code? Yes. Fine. Coming to the point of it. So I got it. This is not necessary to write it. Only else point I wrote this kind of things. Now let us close this part. Now I'm going to talk. See, execute. Now see, Python program obtains connection from that, and it came to finally block database connection closed. Shall I move forward? Are you understanding this connection test? Dear students? Yes. Yes, ma. Suppose, see, ma, except block. Now I am writing. Now, here, I will write. Else part I am writing. Else part I am writing. Printer, connection not at connection. See, else part I am writing. Connection not obtained at all. Not obtained at all. Not obtained at all. Where? In this place. So I will write what? KVR ORCL I will write. KVR ORCL I am writing. KVR ORCL means what? Not there. Which one will come? Exception will come. Exception will come. This one. Exception. After that, which block will execute after except block? Which block will execute, ma? Which block? Finally block. Finally block. Finally block. If anybody says else block, write imposition. Else block will execute when there is no exception. Finally block. In that KVR con, definitely it is a none. None not equal to none. It is called false. Coming to that connection not yet, not obtained at all. See that once. Execute. Now see what is happening. KVR con not defined. So here what is happening? KVR connection. Of course, it is coming to this place. Not at all coming. Here exception itself is coming. That means here only exception is coming. It is not at all giving this output. So you need not worry about this type of statement. Why this error is coming is here only exception is coming. It is not at all keeping the data in KVR con. I hope that I removed my statement. When connection is coming, then only we are closing. If connection is not coming, exception. Here itself we are writing the part of. Dear students, shall I move forward? Yes, sir. Now I am going to move forward. See, ma, all of you, carefully follow. Now, third step I am going to follow. Third step I am going to introduce. First step is over. Second step is over. Third step I am going to introduce. What is that? Create a object of Python program. Create an object of cursor in the Python program, which is used to carry the query from Python program to database software and brings the result back from database software into the Python program. Now I am writing to implement what? To implement step number 3. To implement step number 3, we use a predefined function called what is that now? Predefined function called cursor. We use a predefined function called cursor. What is the function name? Cursor function, which is present in, which is expect it, which is don't expect it, which is present in connection class, What is an object of connection class? In our case, what is an object of connection class? CON. Sir, example, sir. Quickly example, sir. Very, very simple, sir. What is an example, sir? Cursor, COR is equal to CON dot cursor. CON is an object of what? Connection. Dot what? Cursor. Returns an object of what? Cursor. Are you okay? This statement. Cursor is a function present in where? Connection class. Connect method will give you the connection. In the connection object, what is there? Cursor function is there, which returns an object of what? Cursor. It is a KVR cursor. It is a Vishwa cursor. Vishwa cursor. You take anything. HYD cursor. Take any variable on your own. It is acting like a bus from one place to another place. In that cursor object, I will place my values. Come on, last and final confirmation I am asking. Are you okay? Right. You can print. Sir, what is the type of it? Print of type of cursor is equal to type of CUR. Which is going to print it as what? Class CX underscore Oracle. cx underscore Oracle dot cursor. What is the cursor again? What is the cursor again? What is the cursor again? Class. The cursor class present in which module? The cursor class present in which module? cx underscore Oracle. Come on. CUR is an object of what class? Cursor class. CON is an object of which class? CON is an object of which class? Connection class. So, cursor class, connection class are present in which module? Which module? Oracle module. They are present into Oracle module. They are present into Oracle module. So, dear students, they are present into Oracle module. I hope so you are following that. I hope so you are following that part. Let me move forward. Okay, sir. Cursor object is done. Cursor object is done. That step is over. Step number 3 is over. Step number 4 I want to go for it. Step number 4 I want to go for it. What is the step number 4? See, step number 4, we are going design the query, and insert the query, design the query, place the query in the cursor object, and send the query to the database by using cursor object. How do you do that, sir? How do you do that, sir? So coming to that, this who is this 1F, 5PT, etc. This person is switch off this. So these are all people what they are doing don't know. So coming to the point back, last point I'm talking about it. Step number 4. Step number 4. Design the query. Place the query in the cursor object and send the query to the database software by using cursor object. Dear student, now I am writing queries. I want to talk about it. For 2 minutes, I will talk about the queries. So, queries. In our Oracle or in any RDBMS, we will come across the queries. What are the queries, sir? DDL queries are there. DDL, Data Definition Language queries, which are used for creating your table, altering your table, dropping your table. DDL queries, dear students. DDL query. This is the Oracle part. It is not my Python subject. This is the Oracle kind of subject. This is called my Oracle subject. Data definition language. Data definition language. What are the things are there in that? What are the things are there in that? Lot of things are there. Some of them. Create, drop, comma. Next is called what? Drop. Next is called what? Alter, etc. Next, there is a DML commands are there. DML queries are there. DML queries. These queries, what this purpose is to, these are all used for what? To create a table, to remove the table, altering the table. This is for creating the table, dropping the table, altering the table. Okay. Table after that, table related data will be there or not? Table related data will be there. That is called, it stands for data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. Manipulation language. Data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. So, coming to the point of it, what are the things, sir? What are the things coming in that? Insert, comma, delete, and update. These are the things I am going to show you. Completely, I will show you. All these things completely, I will show you. Completely, I will show you. Right. Then after that, we have a data retrieval language is there. Data retrieval language, DRL queries. DRL, data retrieval language. Data retrieval queries, that is nothing but data retrieval language. What is available in that? Select the data. This is not a part of my Python. It is a Oracle subject. Yes, truncate is also there. Bruce Lee, truncate is also there as a part of what? As a part of our DDL. As a part of DDL. So majorly you will come across in our on the database. If you want to perform the operation, DDL operation, I can do it. I will tell you DD. I will tell you one book for you. It is a wonderful book. You will become a king in that area. I'll tell you that. Okay, don't worry. At the end of the class, I will tell you. DDL queries, DML queries, and then DRL queries. DDL queries, DML queries, and DRL queries. These are the operations I am going to tell in our Python to database communication. For my satisfaction, all of you tell me how many queries are there in how many types of queries are there in any RDBMS product. Number one, data definition language, which deals with our database, table creations, table droppings, table alterings, DML queries, manipulating the data retrieval. It is nothing but what? Performing the operation. These are called CRUD operations. We can call CRUD, CRUD, create, read, update, delete, creating this one, reading this last part, updating, deleting. This is called this information. This is a CRUD policy, CRUD. But in Amirpet, what they did, you know, they, for easy remembrance, they said curd they made it, curd. So curd, buttermilk is not there in databases. That's what they are diluting. They are diluting total things into loosely termed words. So we don't want to go for that. So please be careful. I will execute DDL queries. I will execute DML queries. I will execute DRL queries. Dear students, shall I move forward? Shall I move forward? Yes. Can I go for creating a table now? Can I go for creating a table now? Yes. So now I am writing, write a Python program. See, I am writing next program I am going. See, next program I am going. What is that? See, others. Python program. Slowly. First I need to create the table. Yesterday only I told you to store the data in the database. First what we must create? First what we must create? Table. Now see sir, create a table. Create a table. Create tab.py. See how easy to create the table. How easy to create the table in the Python. It is nothing but Oracle syntax I am using here. Oracle syntax. Now, first one, import cx underscore Oracle. Cx underscore Oracle. I am going for cx underscore Oracle. Module is imported. Sir, now you write try, sir, try. Always we be careful about except. What is that exception? Cx underscore Oracle dot. What is that? Database error. Database error. What is that now? Problem in getting data. Problem in database rule. Problem in database operations. Whatever it might be the operations. Right. Exception I wrote. I made my skeleton ready. Now get the connection object, sir. Get the connection object. CON is equal to. You can take any name, not only Bruce Lee connection. Bruce Lee connection. This is called Bruce Lee connection. Take your own variable. But I'm just taking, instead of taking such a bigger name, I will take CON. And don't ask me CON is a predefined variable, sir. No, sir. It is called HYD also you can take. Since these things will not give much meaning, I am taking the user-friendly, understandable variables I am taking. So cx underscore Oracle dot. What is the function name? Connect. Say, what is that now? Scott. Tiger. At the rate of localhost. I am writing /ORCL. I will write it. Print of connection obtained from Oracle database. Okay, good. We got it. Connection. Okay, nice. We got it. And next, what I will do? I need to perform the operation. Or not? What operation I want to do? create a table. Dear student, to create a table, yes, I'm writing some Oracle content also. To create a table, Oracle stuff I am talking, Oracle. And don't think that sir will explain complete Oracle course here. I'm just giving the syntaxes. To create a table, I'm talking briefly here. It's a Oracle content actually. To create a table in where Oracle DB, we will use create is a command. Table name. What is the table name, Mama? Student. It is your name. Create is a command, is a keyword. Table is a keyword. Student is nothing but your table name I am creating. Of column number, column name, SNO. SNO is your column number. You decided to take SNO. You need to specify the data type of SNO. Our Python data types are what? Int, float, bool, like that is there. Number. Number is a data type. You need to specify which type of number you want to enter. I mean, what is the length of your number? Suppose if I say 3, you can enter the number from where? 0 to what? Bigger number is 9999 you can enter. So the size of SNO is 3-digit number. More than 3-digit number if you enter, you will get an exception, database error. Suppose if I write 2, your number should be entered as only 996. So number of 2, number of 3, number of 4. It is up to you. Comma, it is acting like an int data type in our Python. Next, yes name, student name, yes name I'm taking. Next column name. It is called what? str type actually. str in our Python. In our Java, in our Oracle, varchar2, it is a data type. Varchar2, yes name should contain how many characters in your yes name? 10 characters. Your yes name can contain 10 characters. Varchar2 is a data type of Oracle. Number is a Oracle data type. Next I will take comma marks. Marks is called what? Float. Number of 2 comma 2 I am writing. Or I can write. See, one example I will tell you. Suppose marks I want like this. Marks is equal to 99.99. For example, 99.99. This is the marks I want to enter. What is that? See, totally you count it. 99, 2 digits, dot, 3 digits. After the dot, 2 digits. Totally 5 digits are there. 5 digits are there. Including dot also you count it, dear students. I have to write 5 comma 2 you need to write now. 5 comma 2. 4 comma 2 no more DD. Totally you need to count. Listen. Totally you need to count. Listen me. I am telling that. Listen this point. 99.99. So 99.99. 5 comma 2 you need to take it. 5 comma 2 you need to take it. Marks of number of 5 comma 2. What is this 5? Total 99.99. Totally how many? 2 digits, 3 digits, including dot also. 4, 5. Total 5. In that 2 are decimal places. And 2 are integer part. 1 dot is also there. I hope that you are following. It is equal to like a float data type. Dear students, am I clear? Can you confirm once Oracle syntax? Dear students, it is not a part of my Python. It is a Oracle related syntax. Right. Create table name of the table, column number 1, whose data type. Column name, whose data type. Marks. I will take this query as it is. Take this query as it is. How simple, sir, this is. QRY is equal to QRY. Some variable name. And don't think that QRY is called what? It is not a predefined variable. You take your own thing. Yes, ma, Lavanya, simple ma. What is there here? How many digits are there in that? How many are there including data? Ayyo, what is that ma? 5 are there. 5. 5. How many decimals you want? How many decimals are there here? 2. How do you write 5 comma 2? Now you tell me once again I am writing marks is equal to is equal to 99.9999. How do you write it? How many are total? How many are total? 7. How many decimal places you want? 3. What is there, ma? Why you are going for that? 7, 3. Lavanya, are you okay, ma? Yes. So here you see create. Now I am writing within the double quotes. Create table. Create table. Table name. Create a table name. Yes and O number of 3. Yes name of varchar 2. Marks of this one. You be careful. When you starting opening bracket, closing bracket is compulsory. Otherwise you will get a problem. QRY. KVR query. I designed it. Right. So done in the case of KVR query is equal to create a table student SNO number type name varchar 2. Done. Now you execute. How do you execute, sir? How do you execute, sir? Now create the query. Now how do you get the connection object is created? Cursor object also you get it. Na? Cursor object. How do you get it? Cursor is equal to cursor is equal to con dot cursor. Con dot cursor. Con dot what cursor? Cursor object I got it. Please keep this KVR query in where? Cursor. For that, now you need to go for it. Here in the steps only, I told already in the case. What are the steps? I told here. Design the query. Yes, I designed the query. Which query I designed? This query I designed it. See, I designed the query. Yeah, I designed the query. Now what do you do? Design the query, place the query in the cursor object, and send the query to that and to the exit. Design the query, place the query in the cursor object, send the query to the database by using cursor object. And execute. I can write and execute. And execute. Of course, whether it is written or not here. What is that? Step number 2. Step number 2. Step number 2. And execute. And I can write execute. And I can add the word execute. Now I created a query. Designed my query. Example. What is that? Here I said. Here I write QRY is equal to. Now I designed the query. Keep the query in the cursor. What is that query? How do you keep it? CUR dot cursor object dot. Now I am going to say cursor object dot. Keep that inside. How do you go for it? CUR dot execute of what? QRY. Cursor dot execute of QRY. What is QRY? Query which you designed. Who will carry this QRY? Cursor object will carry. Execute is a function which is present in the cursor. Connection object gives the cursor. Cursor contains which function? Execute. What are you passing? QRY. Are you following? Now I will take execute the query. How do you do that? CUR dot execute. So come on to the point. I am saying CUR dot execute of what? KVR query. KVR query. Dear students, are you following? Come on, little bit fast. CUR dot execute of what? KVR query. Now I can say if any problem is coming, you will get exception. You will get exception. What is that exception also I will show you. What is the name of the exact exception? DB. Suppose something like database ERR. Here I will write D, I will write it. What are the things you will get it? That also I will show you. Execute. Print of, what is that? Table, student table created. Student table created in Oracle database, in Oracle DB. Verify. First, very simple. Create the connection, create the cursor object, decide the query, execute the query. Student table created. Finished. So, done. Table created. Done. Now, coming to the point of it. And if you want finally block also, you can write it. Finally block, what I will do? If, what is that? CON not equal to none. CON not equal to none. You close it. Print of closing the database. Database is closed. Database DB connection closed. It is not necessary to write. It is not necessary to write. DB connection closed. CON dot close. CON dot close. CON dot close. So coming to the point back, CON dot close. Save this code. Create a tab. Coming to the point back. Create a tab. Get the connection. Create the cursor. Execute the cursor. Close the connection. This is finally block, optional to write it. It is only for our safety part we wrote it. Are you following me? Can I execute my program? Is all the students are following? Yes. Now I will go for executing this. Let us go to the Oracle database. Already we are in the Oracle database. To see the number of tables in the Oracle database, we will use select star from tab tables. See that in this place we have the table names. Bonus table is there, department table is there, EMP table is there, faculty table is there, sal grade table is there, but no other tables are available. Now today only we are creating student table we are creating. Shall I move forward? Yes, sir. I will execute. Okay. Now see, create a tab. Now I will go for my Python program. See, py tab create dot py. Create tab dot py. Now I am getting, see, connection obtained from Oracle DB. Connection obtained from Oracle DB. Student table created in Oracle database verify. DB connection closed. That means student table created in the Oracle database. Now I will go to Oracle database. Check it out. Now I will say again I will execute. Select star from tab. What is created? Student table is created. Here student table was not there. Student table is created. Are you following? Is everybody observing? Student table created, sir. Now, in this student table, see what are the records present in that. See, select star from student. Not there. No rows are there. Only table is created. What is the structure of the table, sir? DESC student user. DESC student. Description. See that what is there? Name, number, marks, whatever you created. Number of 3, number of varchar of 2, number of 5. DESC name of the table. DESC is called Oracle command. Are you getting? Shall I move forward? All of you. This I need your confirmation to move forward. Is everybody got it? That null is a constraint, check constraint, primary key constraint, not constraint. These are all you are related to Oracle. Okay. Suppose again I will execute. This program. Already what is created? Tell me. Already created what? Already created what? Student table. Will the table again created? Will the table again created? No, sir. Again I will execute. See what will happen? Again I will execute. What will happen? What will happen? You tell me. If the table was already created, will it create again? No. Exception will come. Exception. Exception. See that exception. See ma. Exception. Connection obtained. Okay. See. ORA095. Name is already used by the existing. The name which you are using was already existing in the database. This is called which one? Exception. Which exception it is? DB. Database error DE. DE I printed. Are you understanding, ma? Are you okay? Yes, sir. We understood that, sir. Now I am going to, shall I remove this table? Shall I remove this table? I will remove this table. To remove the table, which one we are using? To create, we used. Which one I need to use? Drop, sir. I will use a drop. I will use a drop. What is that drop, sir? QRY is equal to, what is the syntax, sir? Drop table name. What is the table name, sir? Student. Drop table name. Drop table name. Drop table name. Drop table name. Avinash, none is a data type of none type. In the data types only we explained that. None is a value of none type. I already explained in the data type. Read the data types notes. Right. Come on to the program. Now I will write that program for. Now I will go for a program for how to create username and password of Oracle database. It is not there in our hands. Install the database properly. Now I am going to take this. Now I will write the drop table. Let us all of you follow. So we crossed that situation already yesterday. Now see, drop tab, dropping table name, drop tab dot py. So get the connection from that. Now here I will take create a table name. I will take what ma? Drop table name. Drop table name. Yes, student. Drop table name student. Execute. CUR.execute. KVR query. See, design the query, execute the query. Table, student table dropped. Student table dropped. Student table dropped in Oracle DB verify. Are you getting my point? Only I am changing this query. Dear students, are you following? Can I execute? Yeah, execute, sir. See how easy to do it. I am just doing student drop table. Each and every part I am going to show. Once again in this place you see. Once again in this place you see. Select star from tab. So you have tab. Student table is there. Now I am dropping that. Go to the place of it. Dropping. Execute in the Python program. Fine. I will say drop tab dot py. See that ma? Connection obtained from that. Student table dropped in Oracle database verified. DB connection closed. Go to that place of Oracle, select star from tab. So student table was not there. Student table was not there. Do you have any student table? Do you have any student table here? No, sir. We don't have any student table. It was removed. Do you understand the student table? How to drop it? Yes, sir. Now, yes, sir. We understand this kind of thing. Now, let us move forward. We understand dropping the table. Now I am going for altering the table. So here I am going to take altering. Two things are there to alter it. Again, I will create the table. Dear student, once again, I will go to my program. Which table I want to create? Student table. Which program I will execute? Which table I will execute? Create a tab program I will execute once again. Shall I execute? Yes. All of you follow me like anything. Once again, I will execute what? Create a tab. What is that? Student table created again. Student table created again. Check it out, ma. Check it out. Select star from tab. What is that? Student table created. These dear students, DESC student you see. DESC student. See ma, number, name, marks, add marks. How many columns are there? How many columns are there, ma? 3 columns are there. I want to add some additional column. I want to add some additional column to the existing table. I want to add some additional column. So we will use. I am writing here. Add some additional column. Additional column to the student table. Student table. How do you do that? QRY. I am writing QRY. What is that? Alter table name student. Add of C name. See, alter table name. Add C name of what? Varchar 2 of 10. Varchar 2 of 10. Varchar 2 of 10. Are you following? See, one word I am using, add. Are you following? The more you confirm, I will go immediately to the program. See, I want to modify. I will execute and I will show you. Modify the column, modify the size of yes name of student table. Modify the yes name of student table, size of student table. How do you do that? Now I am writing. QRY is equal to alter table student, modify. This is called what? Add. Because C name was not there in the student table. That's why I'm using the word add. C name, this is called what? Yes name. Because it was already there. That's why I'm using the word called modify. Yes name of 15, I am saying 15. Already it was containing what? 10. Now I am adding some extra. 15 I am saying. Either you can increase or you can decrease also, no problem. Is these two syntaxes are okay? Satya, Monica, I am talking about the database table creation. I am not talking about the data part. Data part I will come very soon. First I am talking about the table structuring. Later I will come to the data manipulation. I am coming to the creation of the tables. Okay, Monica, is it okay? Right. Monica, are you following? I hope you are following that. Yes. Coming to the point of it. Here I written. Coming to the table altering. Two things I will show you here. I will take this only. I will copy my program. I will take others. So I am writing alter tab 1.5. Two alters are there. One is add alter. One more is alter tab 1.5. So what I will do? Create alter table student. What I am doing? Modify. What I am doing? C name varchar 2 of 10. See that? Add 10. Yes. Now you execute the query. Student table altered in Oracle database verify. Add what? You need to write ma. Syntax properly you need to write. Thank you ma. Bhagyasruti. Yeah. Raj Kamal, thank you. So you need to go for it. Same kind of thing. Nothing is difficult. See that? Save it. Altering the table. See here, once again, DESC student, only 3 columns are there. Execute my Python program. Now you say Python alter table. See that? Student table altered in Oracle database. Student Avinash Mishra, that is Oracle related. Oracle related. Varchar 2, it is a data type I told already. Data type it is. So, coming to the point of it, you said DESC student. What is added? C name is added. C name is added. Varchar 2. Dear students, are you okay? College name. C name is nothing but college name. Are you understanding here? Column name is added. Column name is added. See that S name is containing what here? S name is containing what? 10 in size. Now I am going to modify. Now I am going to modify. I am going to modify. How to modify, sir? You see. You see now. I am going to take others. Others I am taking here. A very, very simple. Alter tab 2. Alter tab 2. Now I am taking alter table student. Now what is this? Modify. Modify. C name here. What is right? Yes, name of what? Varchar 2 of 15. Varchar 2 of 15. Student table altered in the Oracle database. Take care about that. Alter tab 2 dot py. Alter tab 2 dot py. I got the output. Let us go to the point of it. Now execute. What is the man? Alter tab 2 dot py. Execute. Alter tab 2 dot py. Now I am getting student table altered in the Oracle database. How it is? Check it out. DESC. Take care very carefully. What is that now? Previously, yes name contains what? 10. Now yes name contains what? 15. Are you following me? Right. 50. So the size is increased. Size is increased. I already told you what is the meaning of it. So we understand how to create the table. We understand how to drop the table. We understand how to go for altering the table. We go for how to add and modify columns also, I said. When you want to alter the data, when you want to alter the column names or anything, table should not contain the data. That point you need to remember. Yes. So when you want to alter some table, the table should not contain any data. Then only we can alter the database. Suppose you are giving the salary of 10-digit number to somebody. Suppose if you say all of a sudden, I know I will not give, I will reduce the size of that as what? 4-digit. Will they accept it? Will they accept it? Will they accept it? No. Fine. Coming to the point back, we understood about this type of thing. So am I clear about this DDL statements? Am I clear about the DDL statements? So I will do all these things. This is called a database communication. I am going to talk. I completed DDL kind of operations. Now I am going for what? DML operations I am going to execute. These are all comes under DDL kind of things. DDL operations completed. DDL operations over. Dropping the table, all those things. DDL operations completed. Example. DDL operations completed. Now I am going for DML operations. I am going to tell you. DML operations. DML operations. So DDL operations always deals with what? Data table related structuring it is followed. So DML operations are used for, I will write, these operations are used for performing operations on data. Operations on data or records. Now I want to go for, we have how many operations? We have 3 DML operations. 3 types of DML operations. 3 types of DML operations. What are those? Number 1, insert. Number 2, delete. Number 3, update. So first one I am talking about insert operation. Insert operation I am going to talk. Insert. So multiple examples we will go on insert. First query. How do you do that? What is the syntax? Insert into. Insert is a keyword. Into is a keyword. Insert into table name. What is my table name? Student. Student. Insert into table name. What you are inserting? Values. Values. What I can insert? What I can insert? I am inserting the values. How to insert? How many columns are there in student? How many columns are there in student? Please, all of you. How many columns are there? 4 columns are there. First column, listen carefully. Different connection problem, all these things. Please take care by yourself. Now I will pass the yes and O. I'll pass the number 10. Number 10. For yes and O, I am passing. Name I am passing. Name I am passing. KVR I am passing. KVR. Next, see the order of it. Yes and O, yes name, marks, college. Like that. KVR, comma. Next is called what? Marks. 94.25. 94.25. See, when I am writing any type of string data in our Oracle language, you have to write within the single quote. Within the single quote, you need to write it. Within the single quote, you need to write it. Take care about that. In Oracle, you have to write it in single quote. Comma. We need to write what? College name. So, single quote. OUCET. This is the data I written. This is called my query. I will write QRY is equal to, I wrote within the double quotes. Within the double quote. Because in our Python program, this entire thing is called a query. String data I took it. This will be sent as it is to our Oracle database. The Oracle database will understand this is a query to insert the data. How to insert the data now? CUR.execute. CUR.execute of QRY. That's it. Query will be inserted. Shall I execute this program? Right. Dear student, one point I will say, if we execute like that, you will get a message inserted. Print, I can say, one record inserted. One record inserted. How to insert the data? Dynamically also I will tell you. Reading the data from the keyboard, I will insert. This is the first one. One record inserted. Successfully inserted. You will get this message, but actually record will not insert. That's why whenever you execute the query, you have to store permanently. It is sent to the database, but it was not saved immediately. That's why we need to say con dot commit. You need to say commit. Commit means what? Permanently storing. Saving the record into the table permanently. Once you execute the query, it will be sending to the database memory. Database memory you need to commit. That memory data will be stored permanently. Once you execute any DML operation, I am saying see, once we execute any DML operation from, this is called what? DML operation. From where? From Python program. From where? Python program. We must commit. We must use commit function. Dear students, are you okay about this? Yes. This is done. Come on, go to that. Go to my place. Here you see, here, select star from student. It is a table name. Right now, no records are there. No rows are selected. Now I will go to the program now. So coming to the point of it, DML, okay. DML statement. Now I will go for this query. How to do that, sir? Same type of thing. Any one of the program you take it, I will take it. I will paste it. See, I will write here. I am inserting the data. So record insert. REC insert one. First example. So many inserts I will tell you. Now here what I will do? I will bring my syntax. I'll bring my syntax. What is my syntax, This part I will bring it. Insert into student values. See, double quotes end, Double quotes starts, double quotes end. Double quotes end. Now here I said what? Beginning. Insert into values. Values 10 and KVR 94.25 and our data. It is done. Execute query. KVR query. What is that? Student record inserted. Student record inserted in student table. Verify. Dear students, are you okay? Only two things I am changing. Only query I am changing. Put the query in the cursor object, and it will execute and show the response for you. Commit also. Yes, commit also. First, let me execute. Without commit, let me execute. Without query, let me execute. I am not writing commit. I am not writing commit. Then see what will happen. I am not writing commit. What will happen? You see. See, coming to the point back. Here I am writing record insert. Yes. Go to the place. Now you say, why I am saying insert record insert 1.5. Record insert 1.5. See, student record inserted into the student table. Verify. Connection closed. Everything is okay. We got the message. But go there. Select star from tab. See, no rows are selected. That indicates it was sent to the database memory, but it was not committed. Are you understanding the effect of commit? Come on. Yes. Now go for once you execute the query, connection dot commit. Commit is a function present in where? Connection object. Con dot commit. Con dot commit. Execute now. Now execute the Python program. Now see, executed successfully, sir. Now you go for that. Now see, select star from student. Nice answer. 10 KVR 94.25 OUCET. Dear students, are you okay? Are you confirming that you are understanding? Confirming or not? Yes. Perfect. Yes. Suppose I will insert one more record. One more record I will introduce. I will insert one more record. What is that now? I will take 20. I will take 20 PVR and say something like a 99.25. He is from JNTU. He is a JNTU student. Once again I am inserting. One more value. One more record I am inserting. Insert it. See, insert. Yes, insert it. Execute there. Select star from. 2 records are inserted. Sir, see, sir, we are inserting the record statically, sir. Dynamically, how to insert, sir? That is our next example. How to insert the data dynamically? That is our next example. I will show you wonders. 30. Now, coming to the point of view. MVR. So, coming to the point of it. It is called what? 39.25. It is called HCU, for example. HCU. Come on, execute again. What is happening? Execute again. Inserted. Come on to the point. Select star from. How many records are inserted? Bhagyasruti. We will go one by one, ma. Let us follow. You follow me first. That is what next I am going to make you to understand. Are you understanding how to insert the data? Dear student? Yes, sir. Now I want to go for how to insert the multiple records. Shall I insert multiple records? Ma? So how to insert the multiple records? Now I am going to insert the multiple records. How to insert the multiple records into the class? Now I am going to use it. First of all, you confirm. Up to here, are you okay? Okay, sir. Perfect, sir. We understand this discussion, sir. Now I want to go for inserting the dynamic data. For that, I want to tell you a small thing. Look at, go to some small funda. Of course, I already taught to you Once again, I will recapitulate. Go to the command interpreter, our helper. See, SNO is equal to 10. SNO is equal to 10. SName is equal to some KVR. This is my data. Now I want to print it. How do you print it? See, print SNO, comma SName. This is the way I printed. This is the way I printed. Okay. One more way also you can print. How do you print it? How do you print it? Like this, and I can say what? Dot format of SNO, comma what? SName. We can print like this also. Dear students, are you following, ma? Yes, sir. Second way, another way. First way is normally we understand. Second way using format function. Third way is of percentage D space percentage S of percent of SNO, comma SName. Let me elaborate. What is this percentage D? It is a number. Even a C language, percentage format specifies. Percentage D. What is the first one? SNO. Percentages, list of values are there. First percentage value is transferred into percentage D. Second percentage is transferred to percentage S. Percentage S is nothing but string related. Percentage D. Okay. SNO is for percentage D. SName is for this. 2% format specifiers are there. 2 values are there. Just to see that. I got it. Are you understanding this percent concept? Are you understanding this percent concept or not? Very, very simple, ma. Very, very simple. Shall I move forward? Shall I move forward? Yes. Now, okay. Before inserting the record dynamically, I will go for inserting the data. Deleting the data, I will tell you. First, deleting the data. Delete the data because inserting requires small extra knowledge. So deleting the record. I want to delete the record. So how to delete the record? Now I will go for deleting the record. Okay. Now I am going for deleting the record. It is insert example 1. Insert 2 also I will tell you. Nothing to worry about that. First, let me tell you. This is called a static insertion because I am passing the value directly. That's why it is called a static insertion. I want to delete the record. This is called inserting the record. I am writing program for inserting record in table with the static data, with the dynamic data. How to insert, sir? With the static data, sorry. Dynamic data, I will explain. Now, I want to go for deleting the record. Same program. See carefully. I will take how to delete the data. Easy. Python. Now I am saying. See, record delete. Example, delete 1.5. Program for previous one also I will just program for previous one. Please see, program for deleting the record. Deleting record from table with the static data. Later after all that dynamically I will tell you. Insert static is over. Insert dynamically I will tell you. Delete static, delete dynamical also I will tell you. Okay, right. Come on to that. Tell me, how do you do that? Delete from table name. Delete from table name. Which is the table? What is the table, ma? Student. These are all called Oracle content. All these queries are called Oracle content. Delete from student where student number is equal to 30. Condition I am applying. Which student you want to remove? 30th student I want to remove. 20th student I want to remove. First 10 roll number 10 student I want to remove. Are you understanding the condition? Suppose if I write delete from student, do you know what is happening, ma? It will remove all the records. It will remove all the records. I want to use condition where SNO is equal to 30. What is SNO? Column number. Column number. Here you see Oracle. SNO, this one is equal to 30. This 30th record will be removed. 30th record will be removed. 30th record will be removed. After removing, execute, removed, and immediately say commit, permanently removed. Student record deleted from student table. From student table. I hope that you people are catching my point. Execute, delete the record, delete the record. Come on, ma. Here you go. Here you go. Yes, please. Say pi, delete the record. Delete the record.py. See that student record deleted from student table. Go to the check it. Select star from student. What is not there? 30 MVR is removed completely. How many records are there? Only 2 records are there. Dear students, are you following this delete command? Are you following this delete command? Are you following? Yes, sir. Now, are you perfectly following, or is it easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Is it easy or difficult? Dead easy, sir. Dead easy, sir. Not at all difficult. Suppose if we did not touch the Python book at all, that time it is definitely difficult for us. When you touch the Python book regularly, it is going to be, and this topic is a very, very popular concept in our Python. Right. So, dear student, deleting the record from the table, inserting the table into the table. All these are what? Static data. So at this point of time, we deleted the record, inserted the record, creating the table, altering the table, and altering the table with add and modify, created the table. All these things. So tomorrow's class, when I come back, I will go for how to update the data and how to go for reading the data, dynamic insertion, dynamic deletion. With that, Oracle related operations will be over. Semicolon is where semicolon? Where semicolon? Where is semicolon here? Somebody is asking. Semicolon, somebody is asking. Yeah, I will upload, ma. I will upload at 1 o'clock. Yeah, I will provide, ma. I will provide this entire notes. Yes. So coming to the point of it, here we understand this is called connection kind of thing. This is called a query execution. Commitment is done. So coming to the point of it, yesterday's class I told you how to install the cx underscore Oracle module. I told you. Again, if I want to repeat the same thing again, it is impossible in the class. Right. So tomorrow's class, we are going to introduce dynamic operations on the same thing. Okay. The book name for Oracle is, there is one thing called, what is that book name? SQL PL/SQL Guide. SQL PL/SQL Guide by Ivan Barons. Name of the book I am taking. SQL and PL/SQL. PL by SQL by Ivan Barons. IVAN BAYRONS. This is the author name. SQL PL/SQL Guide, that is GUIDE Guide by Ivan Barons. 9 o'clock students. Please be careful, ma. This is your last topic. 9 o'clock students. So please be careful. You need to don't miss the class of it. This is a last topic for 9 o'clock students. Right. So coming to that, so Ivan Barons is a international author. He is an international author. Okay, right. So good. I don't know the Emery faculties for Oracle and all those things. I'm talking about what? This is an international author. Django is a separate framework. Django is a separate framework, separate course that is. It is only the Python programming. Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you. Tomorrow class, we will meet for this. Right. So coming to the point of it, tomorrow class, we will meet. Same link we will follow. Tomorrow also same link. Evening 4 o'clock, as it is regular class will be there, regular link will be there. I already told you. Right. Yeah, 4 p.m. batch, regular topic. We are going to discuss separate topic there. That is a 4 p.m. regular link. As it is, we will take the regular link, which I told already in the class. This program, this concept, I will upload at 4 o'clock. Sorry, at 1 o'clock after my classes are over, I will upload. Okay, right.